these guys? I haven't seen them here before.
Keep your big shirt on, Mr. Mandragora. They're checking them out.
You check them out. That's your job. Do it.
Okay, guys. Let's see some ID.
Nice night for a distraction, ain't it?
You're not going in that house, Huntress. That I promise. I'm here on league business, Canary.
That's not what Jean said. We just called him.
Okay, that didn't work.
Maybe this will. Why are you doing this, Question? You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
And here I heard you were some kind of brilliant fighter. You heard right.
I strongly advise you to stay down. These impact arrows are non-lethal, but they hurt. A lot.
He's gone. Mandragora is gone. Do you have any idea what you've done? Yes, I hunted a murderer. A murderer the League's protecting.
We don't have time for this. We've got to ask the Question what he just picked up and put in his pocket. Me? Don't make me ask again.
Oh. You mean this?
It's a storage key for a place down by the train station.